he's hunting for, or she. Definitely ready for a pollinator. Hope she's not trying to kill bees. It wouldn't much matter because there's not very many bees around here. Occasionally I see one, but not very often. Well, happy hunting. Only one left of the big ones. There's a few little ones still on here, but they're almost too small to film. So I'm sure this one will be making its chrysalis. They seem to leave the plant and go somewhere else to do their chrysalis. I'm not sure that where they go.